Hey guys, my name is Tristan Duplichain. You guys might know me for my photography videos on my YouTube channel, but today I'm actually going to be doing something a little bit different. I am doing an unboxing of Jeffree Star's Ultimate Black Friday mystery box. I am super excited but a little bit nervous because I have actually been seeing where people are getting the exact same stuff in their boxes. So we're going to see if mine is the same or if it's different. I'm hoping that my stuff is not exactly identical to everyone else's because I feel like a mystery box, like, they should all be a little bit different. But, you know, I guess, you know, maybe it was just a mystery of not knowing what was in it originally. I don't know. But today I have this box and I am so excited. I do have a second box, so I will have a second unboxing, but it's not here yet. It did take a little while for my box to get here. I just got it today, so I cannot wait. And we're going to see what's in it. So I'm going to grab it. It is this big huge box. Okay, so this is his Ultimate Mystery Box. This is the $175 box. I think I got it within like 10 minutes. I was sitting there as soon as everything went on sale, but his website kept crashing, and I actually was on my phone trying to purchase it, and I went on my laptop and got through before my phone did. It was so crazy. So I am fixing to open this. Okay, let's see. Alright. Okay, let's see if my stuff is the same or different from everyone else's. Okay. So, okay. So, well, no guys, let's see. So, I've got this awesome black and pink Jeffree Star shirt. I got everything in large because I just didn't know how the sizing would be, and I didn't want anything to be too small for me, especially if it were to shrink. So, but this looks like it'll be a good like night shirt or just like a big comfy shirt. So I did see, I think everyone was getting like different colors on their logo, so that's cool. Mine's pink and black. And then I also got this awesome hoodie. Now I will say that on some of the unboxings, I've seen different colored hoodies, and I'm super excited I got the color that I was hoping I would get. How awesome is this? That is so cool. It looks so cozy. It's hot pink and black. I'm kind of like, I'm nervous this thing's going to be like massive on me, but you know what, if I have to, I'll put it in the dryer a couple of times. I mean, why not? But yeah, so that is awesome. So, okay. So far I'm really happy with it. Like I said, I did see some people got red hoodies, and then I did see one other person got like a pink and black one, and when I saw it I was like, please let me get the pink and black one because I love it so much. It is awesome. Totally about to wear the heck out of that. So, I also... let's see. I'm hoping. Got the yellow mirror. I'm super happy that I got yellow. I saw one person got red. Yellow is my favorite color. Now, again, so far in this box, it's looking like I've gotten the same things that other people have gotten. I haven't gotten to the makeup yet, of course, but so far the merch has been about the same, minus I saw one red mirror and I saw one red hoodie. So that's literally the only difference. Everyone that I saw had yellow mirrors, so, but I love yellow and I was super excited. So it looks like I got the Velour Lip Scrub grape soda. Again, that's definitely something I saw everyone else was getting. I'm excited to try this. I'm sure it's going to taste awesome too, so that's cool. And then I've got the pop socket, so that's pretty neat. I'll probably end up using that on mine. And what's awesome is my phone cover is like a rose gold, so it goes perfectly with it. And then we've got, let's see, lip ammunition in unicorn blood. So far it's looking like I got what everyone else got, but I heard that this, like, just from seeing like the swatches and stuff of this color, it is beautiful. Like, I cannot wait to wear it. Ugh, come on. And I will say that if my second box that I get comes in, This is so cute. Like, I absolutely like, ooh, that is so pretty though. I will say that if I get any dupes, I will probably put them in a giveaway that I plan on doing. So stay tuned if y'all want to be part of the giveaway. Let's see. Okay, and so I've got the Velour Liquid Lipstick in Diamond. This is another one that I saw people were getting. So far, man, this is such a beautiful color though. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can pull this off. I'm gonna attempt to, but it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's like a periwinkle color. Oh, dropping stuff over here, man. Okay, let's see. Okay, Velour in Baby Daddy. So, like I said, so far it's looking like I've gotten stuff that everyone else has gotten. Oh my gosh, I'm totally gonna wear the heck out of that. I love liquid nudes. Like, yeah. That's actually, like, I'm wearing one right now. A little bit darker than that one, but I do tend to go for, like, the lighter colors. Another lipstick in Flamethrower. Let's see. Oh. Try not to rip these. Ooh. Again, I don't know if the orange is gonna look good on me. They're definitely like for like photo shoots. I could definitely use these for some like crazy unique looks, which is gonna be awesome. Let's see. And I got the Can't Relate, which I'm super excited because I wanted to buy that, but it was sold out when I went to purchase it, if I remember correctly. Oh my gosh, this is like freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh. Like, can I go ahead and like just put this on? Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to put that on and see how that looks. Okay, so now we've got the Skin Frosts. This is Mint Condition. So for anyone who does not know what color this is, like I'm kind of just like, I figured like my stuff was gonna be like everybody else's. Like literally everyone got these same colors. I love the packaging. The packaging is awesome. Like, he does such a good job. Like, that mirror is on point. Like, if anything, I will use it for the mirror. But this is a mint green, and I'm definitely curious to see how this is gonna, like, look on me. Like, I'm like, I already have highlight on, but I'm not sure if you can tell when I just applied it with my finger, so it probably won't be that great. But okay, so that's Mint Condition in the Skin Frost. Okay. And King Tut. This one I'm actually thinking, I'm fixing to look at it. Everything that I saw like on all the videos looked really dark. And if it is, I'm going to attempt to use it as, it's really not that bad. I was actually thinking if it's too dark, I'm just going to use it as like either a bronzer or like a contour, like a dark contour. But yeah, so that one, it actually looks a lot lighter on the camera, but it's like a beautiful like golden, I like it, no complaining. And the Supreme Frost. Okay, so I already have a Supreme Frost. I have hypothermia, and I love it so much. The only thing is for me, the blue, it makes my skin look a little dark, so it almost looks like I put a dark on top. So I have to end up like kind of going a little bit lower, and then I end up putting a lighter highlight above it, and it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, it's one of my favorites. And this is Frozen Peach. Whoops. My cat decided to take a tumble out of the box. Of course, like I buy it and then the cat's gonna want the box. But yeah, so this one's gonna be the fun one to open. Again, I really don't like want to rip these boxes because I just want to keep them in the boxes. But yeah, so this is Frozen Peach. That one's really pretty. I feel like this one's gonna be like a really light highlight. But actually, I'm really thinking this might be kind of the shimmer that I need for my highlight. I really want a Money Honey. Like, I think I'm eventually gonna purchase Money Honey. I kept like contemplating when I was in the checkout, like whenever the Supreme Frost hit, I was like, should I buy both of them or should I just do one? And then I was like, Money Honey probably won't look good on me, so I'll wait. If I don't like, you know, if I don't like what I got, I'll get it in the future. So eventually, like, I love the hypothermia, like I said. It's just, in public, it just looks kind of weird on my skin, but in photos, it looks phenomenal. But, yeah, so this cat is like, hey, anyone want a cat? Free to a good home? Literally, I think my boyfriend would love to ship him somewhere. Like, he is so done with this cat. But yeah, okay, so this is what I have to say about this box, okay? I think it is amazing. I'm super happy with everything that I got in it. I'm really happy about my outfits. Like, those are so cute, and I cannot wait to wear them out. Super excited about those. The only disappointing thing that I will say is I've noticed that almost everybody so far that has done reviews has gotten the exact same items, and I was like most excited about getting something different from everybody else. That is like my only like kind of sort of sad thing, but at the same time I get they probably played it safe. The colors and stuff that they chose I feel like could go for a variety of different people. I think the mint condition may or may not work for some people. Like, that one just kind of seems like it may or may not work. I think it's a beautiful, beautiful highlight. I am going to try it though and see if it actually looks good on me or not. Because I was seeing some people, like, they were like, oh, it's too blue, too green. Like, it doesn't go on my skin tone. People were saying that it's better for fair, like, really fair tone people, which I'm extremely pale, so it works perfectly for me. But this cat is probably peeking his head into the bottom of the screen. Sorry if he is. I mean... But yeah, so I definitely am happy with it. I think that Jeffree Star did an amazing thing with these boxes, and if he ever does them again, I'm definitely going to get another one. He is freaking phenomenal, and I think he said it was like a $140 savings, which I definitely believe. Like, going on his website, like, I'm pretty sure like I saved a lot of money. I did get the $30 box. I wanted to get one of each and do a video on each box, but I changed my mind last minute, and I ended up getting the blood sugar palette and the alien palette, which I was trying to get it before, but I ended up, you know, oversleeping, not getting it, whatever. So I am definitely getting them now. So I kind of went a little crazy on Jeffree Star's site during Black Friday. I got the alien palette, the blood sugar palette. I got this awesome white shirt with his face on it that says can't relate, and I'm so excited to, I'm gonna wear that shirt so much it's gonna have holes in it, I swear. So that, and then the $30 box, which I will do a second reveal on. I did see, I want to say I saw one unboxing on the $30 box, and it actually looked like it was the same stuff I had already gotten in this box. And again, if that happens, I am doing a holiday giveaway anyway. I haven't gotten ready for that. It will be on my Instagram page, and I'm just going to add those products to that giveaway. I mean, that's probably what I'll end up doing. I mean, I already paid for it, so why not, you know? But yeah, so I think Jeffree Star did a great job with this, and I really hope that he does it again. Again, the only disappointment that I kind of saw was I wish that I would have gotten some different things. I only saw like 1 or 2 videos out of like 10 that had something a little bit different, and now that I think about it, I think their makeup was all the same. I think their makeup was the same. I think the only thing that was different was the outfit, like the hoodie. I want to say the shirt was the same, the hoodie was different, and the mirror, one person got a red one. Literally one. Everyone else got yellow. So, I'm excited. I'm really happy. I'm gonna do my makeup tomorrow with all this stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have makeup for days. So yeah, I will do another video, another unboxing video soon, I'm sure. And I hope you guys like this one, and like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see other videos like this one, please leave a comment below and let me know. I do mainly do photography stuff, but I was gonna make a second channel, but I really don't want to. Like, I really just want to put everything that I like and I want to do on this channel, and I really want to get it going. I've been trying for the past month to be consistent. I kind of sucked this last week. I apologize. I'm going to keep doing it though. I've been really busy. My photo shoots have been booming, man. I have booked so many shoots. I do have a couple new videos in mind for marketing and that kind of thing, and telling you guys what I'm doing that went from having my business be almost dead to like booming left and right. I'll let you guys know what I did to kind of help with that. So yeah, if you guys want to hear any more, just let me know. Have a good one.